Total shave. And we got rid of upcharges. Ooh, the other factory and sell our blades for half the price. Now we're dropping the half price sound effects guy. Wait, why? Not everyone can give high quality for a fraction of the price. One perfect razor, none of the extra noise. Visit us online at aries.com and get a free trial today.
I thought I was managing my moderate to severe Crohn's disease. I didn't think there was anything else to talk about. But then I realized there was. So I finally broke the silence with my doctor about what I was experiencing. He said Humira is for people like me who tried other medications but still experience the symptoms of moderate to severe Crohn's disease. In clinical studies, a majority of patients on Humira saw significant symptom relief, and many achieved remission.
Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers, including lymphoma, have happened, as have blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new or worsening heart failure. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've been to areas where certain fungal infections are common, and if you've had TB, hepatitis B, are prone to infections, or have flu-like symptoms or sores. Don't start Humira if you have an infection.
If you're still just managing your symptoms, talk with your gastroenterologist about Humira. With Humira, remission is possible.
With the right steps, 80% of recurrent ischemic stroke could be prevented, and I'm doing all I can to help prevent another one.
A Bayer aspirin regimen is one of those steps in helping prevent another stroke. Be sure to talk to your doctor before you begin the aspirin regimen.
Connecting elegance with excellence. Hainan Airlines.
Closed captioning brought to you by DealDash.com, the fair and honest bidding site.
I won this 55-inch TV for less than $30 on DealDash.com.
Visit DealDash.com for great deals and start bidding today.
Once again, we want to welcome our viewers here in the United States and around the world. History unfolding here in Washington, D.C. Taking a look at live pictures coming in from the White House. The President-elect of the United States, Donald Trump, is now in the White House. He is being received by the President of the United States, Barack Obama. They're having a meeting in the Oval Office. First time they're getting together since President-elect Trump was elected President of the United States. A historic moment indeed. At the end of that meeting, camera crews and reporters, photographers will be allowed into the Oval Office for what's called a photo opportunity. We'll hear statements from the President and the President-elect. Reporters will then try to get a few questions in. We'll see if they answer reporters' questions. Later, the President-elect will head up to Capitol Hill for a very important meeting with the Speaker of the House, Paul Ryan. Sean Spicer is joining us right now. He's the Chief Spokesman Strategist for the Republican National Committee. He's been very much involved in trying to get Donald Trump elected president. First of all, Sean, I know you worked really hard to get him elected in your role as the Republican National Committee strategist. Congratulations. What do you anticipate will happen tonight?
First, I appreciate it. Thank you, Wolf. Most of the credit goes to my boss, RNC Chair Previous, whose vision and investment over the last 4 years really helped take the movement and the message that this candidate brought and helped the entire ticket went up and down, put together one of the most amazing ground games and data operations that any party's ever seen. And I know we talked to a lot of people in the last few weeks about how we're going to translate the movement and the message that Trump brought onto the ground, and how we've been working hand in hand with the campaign to go door to door. And I think Chairman Priebus's vision and message combined with an amazing message and movement that Donald Trump and the campaign had really showed how impressive it was on Tuesday night. As for today, I think, look, I was there on the last day of the Bush White House. President and Mrs. Bush could not have been more classy and gracious, and I think President Obama and Mrs. Obama have noted that, and I think they will follow that example that President Bush and Mrs. Bush used to ensure that there is a peaceful transfer of power, and that the same accommodations and hospitality that they were shown by the Bush team will be shown to the Trump team, to ensure that our country continues to show how beautifully we transfer power after
You mentioned Reince Priebus, the chairman of the Republican National Committee, your boss. A lot of speculation that he's become close to Donald Trump over these past several months. So a lot of speculation. He could emerge as the White House chief of staff. I assume you've heard that speculation. So two questions. Is he going to be chief of staff? And what about you? What role do you want in a Trump administration?
All I'm looking forward to is a good seat at the inauguration right now. I'm looking forward to watching Donald Trump and Mike Pence get sworn in as the next president and vice president of the United States. And I'm honored to have played a small part in that. I know Chairman Priebus and the rest of the team here at the RNC, Chris Carr, our political director, Bill Skelly, who work on the data side, Garrett Lansing, who runs our digital, Katie Walsh, our chief of staff, have all just been working tirelessly to help this campaign. And I think all of us, frankly, have just spent the last 36 hours excited and happy, and you'll see where it goes from there. I know that everyone wants to make sure that we help Donald Trump and his team be successful, but it's too early for any of those questions to be asked right now.
I suspect that that's a very diplomatic answer there. State Department, maybe a role as the State Department, some senior position.